Today, I am going to discuss the current affairs in the format of MCQ of 13th August 2021, and my channel is the Dutch Electrical Engineering and the Civil Service Academy. Here, we are trying to elaborate the subject related to the electrical engineering, which is important in the field of the IAS and IPS and IES examination or other state or government examination related to electrical engineering. At the same time, we are also trying to elaborate the subject related to civil service examination, right? The UPSC, state PSC, EPFO, and all that. So those who want to learn and clear the examination, please visit my channels and also subscribe my channel or share with their friends. Then easy to increase the knowledge of their friend and family. Okay. So and also here there is an important instruction for you that suppose that who correct the 0 to 3 question, then your study is not in very good and it's required to too much effort to improve your study. And where some people get correct 0 to 5 question, then your study is in 50-50 and it chance to select 50%. But those who correct the out of the 10 questions 7 or 8 question, then you are going in the right direction. And but it's required to your continuously effort and maintain this decorum, then easy to correct the prelims. Okay, so without wasting the time, start our discussion. Our first question is that which of the following is correct about the Sarup? Okay, it is a physical copy of the Sri Guru Granth Sahib. It has 13 in number and it is also called the Bir in the Punjab. Here, due to Taliban captured the Afghanistan and there is a human crisis, and after that and those people Indian people live in Afghanistan that pick up by Indian government and also pick up the scriptures of the Guru Granth Sahib and taken into in India. So due to that this question here present for you. So here all three option is the correct. Okay, all three option is the correct. And this is this question is because this year very important for the cultural part, and this question it may be possible that in your upcoming UPSC exam this question may be asked. Okay, so here option C is the right choice. Our next question is that which of the following is correct about the Jallianwala Bagh? Here recently Modi ji that inaugurate the memorial of the Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar near the Golden Temple, and that time also address the PM for their Sikh people and apprised that their work related to the collecting the holy scriptures of the Sikh Guru Granth Sahib. So here, which of the following is correct about the Jallianwala Bagh? Here it was happened 13th April 1919. So it is a correct option. It was happened in Amritsar. It is also a correct option. The main cause of the happen in this incident to the protest for the civil disobedient movement. This is the incorrect option here. So three is incorrect. So if we are moving to the eliminating method, then easy to eliminate option B. And here three is incorrect. So option D, C is also incorrect, and D is also incorrect. So here 1 and 2 is the correct option. So option A is the right here. Option A is the right. Our next question is that in modern history, which British Act is called the Black Act? Okay. So basically, this question is very, I think, a very crucial question, and I think confusing. If some option is very confusing for you. So here, Black Act is called the Rowlatt Act. Okay. Black Act is called the Rowlatt Act, and the here Partition Act is not a Black Act, and the Mountbatten Plan also is not a Black Act. Government of India Act is also a non-black act, but the Anarchical and the Revolutionary Crimes Act 1990 is a black act. Why it is called black act? Because without any trials, people caught by the police and put in the jail. Those who are active in the Indian revolutionary activity and harm the British government, and people only they know those people are only for on the basis of doubt. Government British government catch the people and put in the jail. So this is called the Anarchical and Revolutionary Act, Revolutionary Crimes Act 1990. Okay, so here Government of India Act 1990 after the World War One. British government promised to certain types of the improve the government central and state level, and due to that, government of India anais provided by the British to Indian people. At the same time, Anarchical and Revolutionary Act, Crimes Act also put in front of the people, and due to that, this approach is called carrot and the stick approach. Okay, so our next question is that here option D is the right here. Our next question is that Kaisar Hind title returned due to the Jallianwala Bagh incident by whom? So here MK Gandhi is the right choice. MK Gandhi returned the Kaisar Hind because of the environed the incident of the massacre of the Jallianwala Bagh. Okay, so here Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore is not the correct option. Dadabhai Naroji is also not a correct option, and Raja Ram Mohan Rai that death 1833. But this incident is happened in 1990, so this is not correlate with these things. So here option A is the right choice. Option A is the right. Our next question is that which of the following is cause of the Himalaya degradation? So this is a open-ended question, and I think this is a very broad perspective question, and this type of question required a very broad knowledge to solve it. Otherwise, if you know any idea, then you can I think jump the other question. Otherwise, it may be possible that you are losing -2 by third marks, okay, in your examination. But on other side, this is very easy question because this is the open-ended question, and it may be possible that all option is the correct here. Okay, so we are going to start the reading the option here. Due to the climate change, climate of Himalaya region change, also definitely it's a right choice, because suppose that here the climate start changing, and climate changing initiated not by the sun or external factor, but on the earth, that is the related to the earth related factors. Okay, so here option 1 is the right choice. Global warming in the world is also a correct option here, and recent development project in Himalaya region is also the option. So here open ended question and all option is correct, so here option D is the right choice. Here option D is the right choice. Why this question put on the in front of you? Because recently there is a study conducted and find that the most of the hydroelectric project in the Himalaya region, that is the instability caused in Himalaya region, and also the project life span is not very long. Okay, because Himalaya region is already zone 5, and it's a very fertile zone and fertile zone due to the earthquake. Okay, so here option D is the right choice. Our next question is that consider the following statement. The minimum age of the prescribed for any person to be a member of the panchayat is 25 years. There is a definitely it's an incorrect question, and this is the only factual question. And please comment on the comment box about what is the age for the those person who want to contest the election of the panchayat. Our next option is that a panchayat reconstitutes of the premature dissolution continue only for the remainder period. It's a correct option. Suppose that there is a 5 year for the allotted for the panchayat, but it dissolve in 3 years. Then after election, it's work only the 2 years, and after that reconstitution of the next panchayat for the 5 years. Okay, so here option B is the right choice. Here option B is the right choice. Our next question is that a recent movie titled Man Who Knew Infinity is based on the biography of, here I think all four are the scientists of India. Okay, so but here the man who knew the infinity, that is S. Ramanujan, that is related to his history and related to his research. So here this is a good movie, and if you agree with me, then definitely you watch this movie and learn something new. Okay, so here option A is the right choice. Our next question is that consider the following statement. The Sustainable Development Goals were first proposed in 1972. A global think tank called the Club of Rome. Nine. This is the incorrect option here. This is the not a correct option, because this is because Sustainable Development Goal, I think it's 80 or 90 or 90 to 2000 phenomena, not a earliest phenomena here. So option A 1 is incorrect. So option 1 is incorrect. It means that 1 and here C is incorrect. Okay. So and the sustainable development goals have been achieved 2030. Okay, MDG goal earlier, and after that sustainable development goal 2030. ठीक है. So here option second is correct. So here option B is correct here. Okay, so here option B is correct. Our next question is that the Parliament of India acquires the power to legislate on any item in the state list in the national interest if resolution to be effect in the passed by the here suppose that government of India work in the or form the rule in the state subject, then definitely bill put on the Rajya Sabha. Okay, first bill put on the Rajya Sabha and the 2 by 3rd member of the Rajya Sabha agree. Okay, then bill move to the Lok Sabha and for after that pass the Lok Sabha, assent to the president, assent by president and write in the statute book. So here option D is the right choice. Option D is the right choice. I have explained you for you. Explained already. So our next question is consider the following pairs. Well, famous place and region. Here there is a famous place and here there is a region. So both Gaya in the Bihar. Okay, both Gaya in the Gaya district of Bihar. So not a Bundelkhand. So here if you going to the eliminating method, one is incorrect. Okay, so one is incorrect. It means that A and D is incorrect. So we have only B and C option. So we are going forward and reading the next option. Next statement, Khajuraho in the Bundelkhand region, definitely it's a right choice. Shirdi not in the Vidarbha region, and Nasik is the Malwa region. So it's yeah, that is the also a correct option here. Also here is the correct option. Okay, our next option is that, sorry, our next option is that Nasik and Shirdi Vidarbha region. Okay, Tirupati Rayalaseema. Okay, so actually here Tirupati is the Rayalaseema. It's a correct option. Okay, so here option 2 and 5 is the correct option, and I think all are incorrect here. So option C is here is the right option. Okay, so here option C is the correct. So today in the current affairs MCQ, okay, please comment what is the experience after the after watching the video, and comment on the comment box, and please comment how to improve and what level what is the level of the question, and if you want to improve the level of the question, then definitely comment and I will do it. So thank you.